Good morning, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilet's World. We are at CVS for a new week of couponing. If you have matching coupons, I'll show you examples of deals you can make this week from September 6 to 12. If you don't have your coupons yet, you can get them from newspaper inserts, CVS app, coupons.com, and some manufacturers' websites. Crest Pro Health toothpaste are on sale for $2.99. When you purchase 3, you get 5 extra bucks. We'll get 3 of these. Crest Scope mouthwash on sale for $3.99. When you purchase 1, you get 2 extra bucks. You can do this 2 times on your account, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. You buy Kotex liner is $1.79. It's buy one get the second one at 50% off, and when you purchase 2, you get 2 extra bucks. We'll get 2 of these. One will be $1.79 and the other 90 cents. Boost drink, they are $8.49. When you purchase 3 cases, you get 7 extra bucks. We'll get 3 of these. Revlon Kiss Balm, it's $5.49. We'll get this Juicy Peach. L'Oreal Elvive, they are on sale this week, 2 for $8. I'll get 1 of each. Have the Pantene on sale this week, 3 for $12. This size for the shampoo, I'll get 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. All detergent on sale, $2.99. We'll get 1. For my first transaction, I'm gonna do 3 Crest toothpaste, 2 U by Kotex liners, 2 Crest mouthwash, and 3 Boost drinks. I'm using these 2 paper coupon for the Crest toothpaste, 1 paper coupon for this 1 Crest mouthwash, and the rest will be digital coupons. Crest mouthwash digital coupon. One of these $3 of teeth whitening kit attached, even though it says exclude toothpaste. $4 of 2 Boost drinks. $5 of $25 worth of any protein shakes. I'm gonna use this $5 CVS gift card from my Fetch Rewards. And I'm gonna roll some extra bucks. For my second transaction, I'm going to do hair care Revlon Kiss Balm, and I'm gonna add this all detergent. Pantene, Elvive, and Revlon are part of the CVS Epic Beauty event. Spend $25 again, get $10 gift card. I'm gonna use this $5 of CRT for the Revlon Kiss Balm. I'm gonna use this $2 of paper coupon for the all detergent. This $3 of 3 Pantene products paper coupon. There are also digital coupons on the account. I'll use this $2 of L'Oreal Paris Hair Care digital coupon. 4 off of $18 any hair care products. This $3 off 3 Pantene products digital coupon applied, even though I already have a $3 off paper coupon. I'm gonna roll extra bucks from the first transaction. This is my first transaction: Boost drinks, Crest oral care, and U by Kotex liners. This is my receipt. The paper and digital coupons applied, I rolled 13 extra bucks. I also used a $5 CVS gift card from the Fetch Reward. I paid $12.37. I got 7 extra bucks from purchasing Boost, 5 extra bucks for purchasing Crest toothpaste. I used them on the next transaction. I also got 4 extra bucks for purchasing 2 Crest mouthwash, and 2 extra bucks for purchasing 2 U by Kotex products. Counting in the $5 gift card from Fetch Rewards, the final cost is $7.37. This is my second transaction. This is my receipt for the second transaction. There were some glitches on the coupons. I have a $3 paper coupon for Pantene, and the digital coupon $3 off also applied. adjusting the $5 extra box I rolled down to $2.48. Making the subtotal $0, I had to pay tax $2.51. I got back the $10 gift card for this epic beauty event deal, making the cost of the second transaction $1.99. The final cost of these two transactions combined at $9.36 or 55 cents each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos of couponing, DIY, or other food-related videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out the playlist. I'll see you on the next deal. Happy couponing!